Okay, this is day 2 on the Gisasa trip. Gisasa hunting trip 2005. Day 1 was arrival with the big boat down on the mouth of the Gisasa to find out that the river was just loaded with water. It's come up 6 feet since we were here 2 weeks ago. Gisasa River is no longer clear. It's muddy and water is ripping out. Although we got here last night at dark, jetted up about 12 miles, that stick right there was in the water. So it has dropped nearly a foot since last night. There's the Jet Dog boat, 14-foot Lund with 40 Mercury jet, and this is the Gisasa, approximately 10 to 12 miles upstream, and it's 7:30 in the morning, and we got here at dark, made a fire, had an MRE, and now we're gonna have a little coffee, a little cocoa, and head upstream for hopefully some action. There's the big dog packing up. Notice the hunting attire, long johns and shorts. And waders. So water's boiling and I gotta go take care of business, and hopefully I'll remember to fire this up for a little live jetting action. Okay, finally it's 8:03 in the morning. I was finally able to coax Kirby into getting out of the tent and informed him that we were in fact hunting. And this is kind of a little jetting technique here that you got to do every morning, ritual. And Mr. Kirby, what do you got there?
The super sucker.
Yeah, and what does it do?
Extracts the water built up by the loose rivets and Malozzi.
Is she a little leaker?
Little tiny leak.
Wow. Pretty handy apparatus you got there.
Ready, buddy?
Oh yeah. Okay, we're about 22 miles up. Haven't seen anything yet. Found a nice rocky knoll checking out the river. There she is downstream. There's the upstream action going up that valley there. This is the rocky knoll here. That's the big dog. 2 thumbs up from the head jetter. There's a creek coming down here. Okay, we're about 40 miles up, and the little mellow Gisasa has become a canyon. Rock walls on both sides down there, and several boulder fields. This is one that Curb decided he was going to come out and check. You can see there's a continuous shelf pretty much all the way across. Okay, but he's going to try to shoot it right there and cut back up that way and out, and hopefully we won't go drifting back into that. Now on the way down, it appears we're gonna have to go next to that stump and right down the middle. What do you think, Jetmaster? Have you struck any rocks with your foot today?
2.
2, yeah? Okay. All right, let's rock it. Hold on, we gotta change it. Can you tell me what's gonna happen here? You have a change of plans. What's up?
We're gonna head downriver so we can get unstuck.
Okay.
Turn around.
Yep.
Come up that far side.
Which side of this chute here?
We're gonna come up that side.
All right, we're going up that side.
Up that side. At that moment in time, we're looking up here to see if we're gonna come up the center chute.
You might go up the center chute.
That doesn't look good. We got about a half a second chance.
So it's either the center chute.
Now we're gonna veer to the right and get this one to the left.
Or this one.
Well, once we get to the top, you gotta go on the way left right away.
How are we feeling about this?
Nothing, buddy.
Oh, we got that one on tape. Curve, what happened? What just happened? Kirby, can you tell me what just happened? You want
little aeration.
Okay.
No cavitation in the prop.
Okay.
You got a better look at this though.
Hold on. Notice, up on the bank. Got something fucked up, so start going over that way.
What's that rock at?
Yeah, you may have owned that one, but you got one coming up, G-Fly. See how you own this one. Okay, it's Sunday morning. We're heading out, gonna go jet the Katil. Decided that we'd come into an oxbow here on the way out of the Gisasa. And notice that oxbow's back there. There was quite a bit of activity. Did some calling and scraping, and within about 10 minutes, heard that guy. Called and scraped him in. Got to about, how far away, Curb?
50 feet, 100 feet?
50 to 100 feet of him. Pretty thick in here though. Curb Dog couldn't get quite the clear shot he wanted. But he was grunting and scraping, and we got to within 50 feet of him, and he decided he didn't like our grunting and scraping anymore, so he was starting to walk off. Gave him a cow call, it stopped him, and Curb Dog shot him. Headshot. Measured him out. He's 55 inches. And he smells like a rutting bull. Yeah, there's. Hold that up one more time. Give me a smile there, dog. You just dropped a big hug. He's got some nice brow tines.
Nice one on the back.
Nice little moose. He's got a little dropper on the back here of his. That one right there is on the sticking out the backside. So 55-inch bull. Nice thing. So far it's not raining. The pack's not going to be too bad. It's not dark. We shot it at about 9:30 in the morning.
After pancakes.
Wait. Can you fill me in on this philosophy you have here?
We got up after nice slumber, 4-inch pads in the Sea Arc. Got up, had a little pancakes for breakfast, got stuff packed away, and then you start your day of hunting.
So can moose be shot before dark?
It is possible, yes.
And do you have to hunt moose at 7 o'clock like your guide Whiteman says?
No.
You got to be hunting at 7?
And then you start your day of hunting.
So can moose be shot before dark?
It is possible, yes.
And do you have to hunt moose at 7 o'clock like your guide Whiteman says?
No.
You got to be hunting at 7?
No.
So you're better off just relaxing a little bit and having pancakes in the morning?
Take your time.
Take your time.
Take your time.
What'd you drop him with there? What is that rifle?
Oh, the old 338, you know.
Did it knock him down right away?
Would have, yeah.
Would have, but what?
Not quite sure where the headshot landed on the head.
The headshot might not be a headshot?
No, it was a headshot.
You might have been off target a little bit from 50 feet?
Nope, it was a headshot.
No?
He was stumbling around.
Stumbling. Now you said you on the after the second shot there was a little bit of excitement. What was that all about?
He was definitely falling at that time.
Okay, so that 1,600-pound moose kind of tripped over and felt like he'd had a few too many, right?
Yes, it was.
And you thought that was funny?
Yeah, quite hilarious.
There he is. Way?
Pain in the ass to get the head moved that way, but we'll do our best. It's gonna be all you get, buddy.
Okay.
Not quite long enough, huh?
Only 55?
Only 55 and a half, yep.
Okay. Little action. Now some digital photos.
Yeah, give me a ratchet strap.
Kirby, what's going on here?
You're gonna give me a ratchet strap.
Okay. You gonna pack that big dog out of the woods like that?
No.
You got a ratchet location?
Yep, fucking around both horns and back to the string.
You gonna grunt on the way out?
I do everything I want. want to.
I want some tree scraping too.
Okay.
Okay. What was that?
I love the gnats.
Are they pretty thick in here?
Yeah, I wish they were thicker.
Okay, we gotta get a front shot. Oh, the carnage. How's that gonna be?
Good. Now let's go. Pick it up.
Okay, stand by one. How's it feeling?
I can't find my strap.
We can help you with that. Which strap you looking for, buddy?
This one right here on this side.
Okay. Right there?
Yeah.
How's that doing?
So far better than the hind quarter.
Really?
So far.
All right, let's get it. Hold on, we gotta get a digital.
Hey, come on.
Hold on. Scrape it. Let's hear a grunt. Scrape it.
You're here straight now.
You working it, buddy?